Hello my friends in the Shizeki channel. In this video, we will review the specifications of the Samsung Galaxy F42 5G. Before beginning, if you want more videos about phones, subscribe to the channel to receive all new. The phone was announced on September 29 and was launched to the market on October 3rd. The Galaxy F42 comes with a glass front and a plastic back, and the frame of the phone is also made of plastic. The dimensions of the phone: 167.2mm in length, 76.4mm in width and 9mm in thickness, and the weight is 203 grams. The phone screen is a 6.6-inch TFT screen with Full HD Plus resolution and a pixel density of approximately 400 ppi, and it supports the frequency of 90 Hz. The Galaxy F42 carries a Dimensity 700 5G processor from MediaTek, working with 7nm technology. It comes with a Mali G57 MC2 graphics processor. The phone system is Android 11 with One UI Core 3.1 interface. In terms of memory, it comes with a storage memory of 128GB, while the RAM starts from 6GB up to 8GB, with support for installing an external memory card. The phone's camera comes with 3 rear lenses. The first is a 64MP wide lens. The second is a 5MP ultra-wide lens, and the third is a 2MP depth lens. And of course, the camera supports LED flash. The selfie camera comes with an 8MP resolution, 5000 mAh battery with 500W charging support. The fingerprint is built into the power button. Support 3.5mm headphone jack and Bluetooth 5.0. Galaxy F42 comes with 2 colors, Matte Aqua and Matte Black. The price of the Galaxy F42 starts from about $280. Write us your opinion on the phone in the comments box. If you are interested in Android applications, visit the playlist of our channel, which contains useful apps. And if you'd like to see new phones, subscribe to the channel to receive all new. Goodbye.